before going to the options, let us understand the things related to this question. You see here the powers and a mode in one option. Suppose we take a variable y, here is the mode, and this is less than or equal to 4. You know, this is an inequality. Then solution obviously will be this whole line segment you see in blue color. I belongs to -4 to 4. This is the solution in interval form. You cannot here the main thing to observe is that you cannot go beyond 4 in the forward direction and -4 in the backward direction. Okay, now suppose here y to the power 2 less than or equal to 4. Now see the solution on the number line and solution of this inequality. Obviously this line segment you see in blue color, the same in interval form is written as y belongs to -2 to 2. Let us see one more example, even power. Okay, even power, and suppose this is less than or equal to 4. This is the solution. This point is 4 to the power 1 by 4, and this point is -4 to the power 1 by 4, and in interval form y will be. So whenever we take either mode or even power, then we are restricted, our solution is restricted in a line segment. Okay, we cannot go beyond a certain point in both the directions, either it be forward direction or backward direction. So remember this. Now let us take the other situation. Other situation means x to the power 3. This time this is an odd power, and this is suppose less than 4. Then in this situation, the solution, okay, if we, you know, any negative number is less than any positive number. Okay, so so you can take -1, -2, and also the decimal points, -3, -4, whatever. In this way you go, suppose very large number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so net in infinity. So these all points satisfy this relation. So the solution this time will be a ray. A ray is a line with infinite length. In this direction it will go to -infinity. There is no limit in this direction. In the backward direction, in the forward direction there is a limit. So note these two differences. So so far we learned that if we have either mode or even power, then we have the limit in both the direction, whether it be forward direction or backward direction. But whenever we come across an odd power, then we see that in the backward direction there is no limit. It will go and go and go. See the first option, and this inequality can be written as, and you know, this is a y square is a non-negative number. It may be 0 or it will be positive. So obviously this implies that e to the power x square is less than or equal to 4. And from here, if you impose natural logarithm, then this will be x square less than or equal to ln 4, and you know ln 4 is a positive number. So the solution will be this line segment. This x has a boundary in both the direction. Now for the variable y, and the for y we write, see this here, and it is positive, and positive number to the power anything, whether it be positive or negative. This circled, the value of this circled expression is always non-negative. So from here we can write y square less than or equal to 4. So this y has a limit in both the direction, forward as well as in the backward direction. So y is bounded, and already I explained that x is bounded. So this is our true option. In the same way, you see in both even power, so this is also bounded. And here you see there is no even power, but you see mode in both the variables, so this is also true. And in the last option, the option D, here I want to discuss. This can be written as e to the power x cube less than or equal to 4 minus y square. Y square is non-negative, so the next step will be written as or equal to ln4. And you know ln4 is a positive number, and I have already mentioned before going to these options that whenever you have an odd power of any variable less than or equal to a positive number, then this variable x will go in the backward direction to the infinity. I mean, in the forward direction, this x has a limit, but in the backward direction, this x has no limit. It will go and go and go. What this question says, which of the following subset of R is bounded? This is wrong. So we have the correct options as A, B, and C.